guys, welcome to Jiro Active Channel. So ngayon, maglalaro tayo ng Night 6-7. Sorry lang sa maingay. So, maglalaro lang tayo mag-isa. So, main game. Itutuloy na tapusin to ang laro na to hanggang sa mag-umaga na. Kasi naglalaro ko nito na palagi ako natalo, shutdown, or di tutuloy.
And also, there's something you should know before you get too settled. There are a few rules you'll need to follow throughout the night, and they tend to change at random hours. First one's important though. If that picture next to the front counter ever starts shaking and screaming 6, 7, you need to get to the basement fast. And then you just wait there until you don't hear it anymore.
Okay. So, drink cola, burger, lettuce. So, we are going to grab a cola. Sorry. So, hello guys, sorry ulit. Binigyan ko cola, tsaka kumuha tayo ng lettuce, burger lettuce pala, sorry. Kumuha tayo ng meat ba yan? Hindi ko alam. At tsaka, kunin lang natin to. Nice. And I'm going get to lettuce. Okay, put the top buns. Okay. So, let's go to give the customer. So, everything is complete. Nampain. Bro. Burger, lettuce and cheese. So we are going to grab 2 meat. I think that is meat. Is that frozen patty? I don't know say properly but anyways. Bata. Nice. And the bottom. Nice. Lettuce and cheese. So one. And another one, another burger and cheese. So we are going to put the top buns. So we are going to give the burger. Never mind. So we are just going to get the buns. Top buns. Oopsies. That scare me. Let's pick the piece. The piece box or the electricity. I don't know why. We are going to get the bottom buns. Let's go. Cola, lettuce, and cheese. Oh. Okay. 1 burger, so equals 1 meat. Hey, is that meat? No, is patty, frozen patty. Never mind. I don't know saying property. Lettuce and cheese. Lettuce and cheese and top buns. So there you go. Let's get lettuce because there's one only lettuce. So let's go. Never mind. I think that's 6-7. I'm actually scared. Not gonna lie. Yeah, nice. That's scared. Oh, you. That's the customer scare me. Not gonna lie. So two cola and two burgers, lettuce and cheese. So let's get two. Oh, never mind. Cola. Why did I give the customer a meat? So never mind. I'm sorry about that. Nice. So let's get the bottom buns. Nice. And like this. So like this. Okay. Oopsies. And that's gonna get buns. Let's just put these and let's get the top buns pala I live in Philippines, so I talk English and why? English and Tagalog. Cola and one burger. Cola and one burger. So, bottom buns. Bottom. Lettuce and cheese. So, hello. Sorry. I'm sorry. So, let's get cheese and put the top buns. Bili na kayo. Oh, it's actually what it is. Oh, Mom. I'm sorry. Not gonna lie, I actually got the
Alright, it's 1 a.m. You've unlocked Bloxian and tomatoes now. And yeah, there's a new rule you need to know. If you hear any weird noises coming from the dumpster outside, that's probably 6-7. When that happens, you need to make him a cheeseburger. Just cheese, nothing else.
So wait, I'm gonna get.
Leave it on the counter by the stairs so you can grab it. If you don't, yeah, things won't go too well.
Hello? Please, just tweak the orders because I'm just gonna be cheeseburgers. Not gonna lie, I need to make, cheeseburger first. So, para makasabay tayo. So, the phone says just put in the table of the stairs. Okay? To cola or black tea? Cola. This is my first video about making Roblox because I just only making the trend so this is my first video about Roblox. Tomatoes and cheese. Let's get this. patties. Wait, I'm gonna try that. I hope it works. Tomato and cheese, and I hope it works. Yes, with two patties and two patties, it worked. Yay, 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 yay. Bili na kayo, bili na kayo. In this video, I'm only speaking Tagalog and English. Lettuce and cola. So let's get this one first, and let's get cola. Just always close the fridge. That waste of electricity. Not that. Then lettuce only. And here go. Wait, let me ask some question. Why is the burger called burger? Actually, never mind. That's 6-7. I'm actually scared. If I get jump scare, I'm just gonna end this video. It is safe. Whew. Not gonna die no. I'm really scared. So let's get bottom buns. I think we need to get cheese, lettuce, and tomato. There is enough tomatoes. So cheese, and not tomatoes, lettuce. Okay, tomatoes, cheese, tomatoes, all the ingredients, and 1 tomatoes and cola. So we have a lot of work to do. One, and I'm not gonna hindi ko muna pagsabay-sabayin. Baka magkasama naman katulad kanina. Ang 2 patties. So I'm gonna make 3 patties. Just gonna put this and 1 tomatoes. Sorry about the duplication. Tomatoes and cheese. Never. And then sorry. So let's give it correct. And one last time. Should we make the cheeseburger for 6-7? Every day I'm just gonna play Roblox. but different games. I don't think so. But no, just week on my video sa YouTube channel. There we go. Thank you. 2 a.m. Nice.
2 a.m. already.
Onions
are
at
available now, but this hour comes with a new rule.
new rule.
If a kid shows up at the window, don't try to serve them food. They usually don't want that. Kids at this hour, they're always looking for a basketball. So if you ever see one, just hand them a basketball and let them go. Whatever you do, don't ignore them. If a kid doesn't get what they came for, 6-7 usually shows up to help them.
Okay. Onion, cheese, lettuce, and none. So you may just comment grab these and these. So we are going to pag-iwalayin pala. Nice. And nice. Onion, cheese, and lettuce. Onion, cheese, lettuce. I think. I hope. Nice. Sorry. Lettuce, tomatoes. Lettuce. Tomatoes.
Grabe yung labanan, grabe yung labanan. Yan, 9-8 na po, malapit na po natin masilayan ang Drake versus Huawei. Yan. Matapos na po yung matapos na po yung undercard natin, matapos na.
So, may I get for you cola and tomatoes, lettuce, and onions without cheese. Nice. I almost forgot. I have no tomatoes left. I'm just gonna grab tomatoes. Wow. Tomatoes. Tomato. Wait, I'm just going to okay. I'm gonna let the customer eat my pip. I'm joking. So, customer, I'm sorry about that. Wait. I put the onion. So, tomatoes are left. Going up. Never mind. I just actually post na welcome to the China Airlines by Roblox. So I actually made 2. So it's already 3 a.m. I hope you call, so I know the rule. tomatoes. Bro, I had a lot to do. So you give me paycheck, right? I'm just joking. Sorry about that. So 2 burgers.
Habang manonood, ayan mo, isa. Drink mo directly mo sa
Another
hindi tayo
burger.
ma-drink mo diretso. Kasi, ayan mo, sabi mo, Justin Fernandez from Baguio.
Ouch.
Ayan, Baguio City. Ito, napakalamig na lugar. Napakagandang lugar. Walang aircon.
Tomatoes, onion, cheese, without lettuce. Tomatoes, lettuce, cheese, without onions. Without lettuce, without onions. Okay, let's go. The first thing we are going to do is without lettuce. So we are going to put cheese, onion, tomatoes, and wait! Why did I just put that? That. Well, we are gonna try to serve it. There you go. I hope it works. And without onions. So wait. Hello guys. Where did I put lettuce, tomatoes, and cheese. Without onions. I hope you accept. Nice. We are going to get some lettuce and some buns. Let's go. Bro.
Naset na talaga doon, pasensya na nag-alabol, Justin Fernandez. Yan, naset na po. Naset na po yung
Bro,
laban
there's
kanina.
a ball. Okay, I'm gonna get the ball.
Yung 220, naging 330 po. Yung ano natin,
Do you know who I am? LeBron James. Shoot. Never mind.
220 guys.
Why I can shoot? Never mind. Let's go inside. We are in the middle room. What the name? Alright. Bruh. 6-7 kid is everywhere. I thought the meme reset. So we have a lot to do. So see you guys. It's been 23 minutes, so we are going to finish this tomorrow because right now it's in the night. So guys, see you tomorrow. Peace.
Leave me alone, please leave me alone.
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 कदों जाके मुकना है 10 लाख डॉन. Leave me alone.